Welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. Today we are going to talk about the medicinal properties of Lime Balm. Lime Balm is very similar to lemon balm, especially in its medicinal benefits, but it tastes and smells more like a lime than a lemon. And for some people, that's quite important. But first, let's go out to the garden and see what it looks like. This is my lime balm patch, and it looks really very much exactly the same as lemon balm, but it smells different. So I do grow them in completely separate parts of the garden just so that I don't get them mixed up. Now you know what lime balm looks like out in the garden. Here's what she looks like now that she's been harvested. I will be making both a tincture and an infused oil with this. I will put some links up for you so you can check out those videos to make one for yourself. A lime balm tincture is particularly good for nervousness, anxiety, and stress. It's also amazing for increasing your appetite and to use when you have a cold or flu. Now the salve, that is so good for like cold sores. Some of you might get cold sores on your mouth. Lemon balm is also good for this. So they're in the same family, but they smell and taste a little bit different. So if you find that the lemon balm is a little bit too strong for you, I would consider making your cold sore chapstick out of lime balm. Also, of course, don't forget to put your lime balm infused oil into your anti-anxiety salve as well as your insect repellent. Again, if lemon balm is a little bit too strong for you, use the lime balm. It's a little bit more on the bitter side, so if the lemon balm like just kind of strikes you too sweet, try this one. Has exactly the same effects and will keep those biting flies and mosquitoes away from you. Now also, lime balm, as does lemon balm, works great for herpes. Just make sure if you're getting a herpes salve or you're making one of your own, I'd skip the essential oils, okay? Some of that is a little too rough for the nether regions. If you're looking for an insect repellent that isn't too strong, but still is super effective, head on down to my description, go to my Etsy channel. I make an amazing insect repellent. I use it myself all the time. I live in the woods. I have mosquitoes, flies everywhere. If I put this on, it doesn't matter if it's the morning, afternoon, or the evening. They will stay away from me, and it does not smell like those candles that you get at the store. Candles? Yeah, you know those ones, those outdoor candles? No, you're not gonna smell like that, not at all. There's a couple different things in there, but I leave that one ingredient out. You know what I'm talking about. All right, you guys, time for me to go. I'm sorry I'm sweating all over you here. It's a warm day, but I will see you soon. We have a lot more information to come. Bye.